Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I am coming on to do a card process video. It's a birthday card for my daughter. Her birthday is in a couple of weeks. It's in March. So I'm using this stamp set from The Ton, and I'm just going to, well, I've already stamped out this from a haul video that I just showed some examples, but it's these little peonies. And this set is called Timeless Peonies. So I just like fussy cut out this little cluster of peonies for my card. I'm using this beautiful Gala girl. It's called the Haute Gala dress, and I'm using her along with this. This like coordinates with the dress, so you can do multiple styles of the dress. But I just love that this goes with the dress, and it just gives this elegant look to the dress. So I'm going to stamp her out in gold and heat emboss her in some gold glitter. So I'm using this gold tinsel glitter by Recollections, and I'm also going to heat emboss a gold sentiment also by Recollections. So I'm using two different golds, and the sentiment I'm using is "May this be your most fabulous day ever," and that's another sentiment from the set. And I'm using VersaMark ink. I'm going to use some pattern paper from, let's see, what paper pack was that? It is the, I'm sorry, I don't have it handy, but if I do remember it, I'll include the paper pack in the description box below. It's like a birthday pack that I got from Michael's. It was one of their Hot Buy paper packs. And also some gold foil that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's some poster board. So sit back and enjoy the process. Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out so beautiful. It says, "May this be your most fabulous day ever." And I think this is the best card for my daughter's birthday. So I hope you enjoyed this process video. Take care, everyone, and have a fabulous day.